So we are at the Sainik Puri Jumble sale, and this is how it looks. You have products for like 400, 300. So this looks interesting really, and I'll take a look at the products because this looks good. So really people, so I'll catch up with you all soon enough because this sale is only for today, I think. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe. Hey people, so we are at the Sainik Puri Jumble sale, and there are books here, and there are things for like 50 bucks, and then there are things for 10 rupees, which is so interesting really. So I mean, oh wow, the plants also. This is really good. I mean, in terms of the proceeds of which are going for charity, so it's like I'm just so tempted to take a look at these books. So that's just what I'll be doing right now. So I'll catch up with you all soon enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.